we're going to click on edit/review under 1099B. Now I already added 2 sales here from her public.com account, but what we're going to do now is add the Robinhood account information because she has both a long-term and a short-term sale. So this can get a little bit confusing, that's why I wanted to show you on camera, but we're going to add all of these sales together here for your different accounts. So if you have multiple 1099Bs, they're all going to go in the same place here, and then they all get calculated together. So I added the public.com ones, but now what I'm going to do is open up the 1099B from Robinhood, and I'll show you as much on screen here as possible. And what we're going to be notating here is actually a capital loss here on the sale of a cryptocurrency investment. So there are some capital gains we can see so far. For example, $64 in gains from this top sale and $84 from this bottom one, but this is actually going to offset that. So that's why you want to make sure you include all of these, because the losses can offset your short-term and long-term gains. So we're going to click here on add more sales, and what we're going to select here is a summarized entry. And for the description here, I'm just going to call this Robinhood, but you can type in whatever you want. So the first thing we have to enter here is the proceeds. So in this case, we can see from the form here, we're just going to go with the grand total. Now there was only one crypto sold, but if you have multiple, you might just choose to do the grand total, or you can log each one if you want by selecting different options prior. But we're just going to go with gross proceeds here. So the proceeds came in at 248.05. and it's going to round that for us. And now you enter your cost basis, which was $555.53. And then the sale category. Now, as far as the sale category, this does get a little bit confusing because you can look here at the lettering and this should line up for you, but it might not line up exactly. In this case, it's calling this a box E, which is going to be a long-term basis not reported to the IRS. So we have here box E, long-term not covered. That's what we're going to select. And then we're going to click on continue. And now it recorded that Robinhood crypto loss, which is offsetting those gains here from the public.com account. And now we're going to go ahead and record the tax form for Coinbase.